Air is a showcase of American luxury, record-breaking range, and mind-bending performance. It proves a startup can out-innovate the giants. Yes, there have been some early software and build quality hiccups, but Lucid is improving fast. For many, the sheer technological leap outweighs the teething pains. The Lucid Air is a true innovator, proof that the future of luxury isn't just German. It's a monumental achievement for a new company. The Air is the EV that makes range anxiety obsolete. It's a luxury sedan that can embarrass supercars. Lucid has set a new standard. The Air Dream Edition is the car everyone's watching. The bar for electric luxury just got a lot higher. Lucid is here to stay. The Air is the future, now. This is what disruption looks like. Time for something different, the Audi e-tron GT RS, a performance icon in electric form. This is Audi's electric halo car sharing its platform with the Porsche Taycan. The design is stunning. Low, wide, aggressive, and guaranteed to turn heads. The RS model packs dual motors, quattro all-wheel drive, and up to 637 horsepower in boost mode. 0-60, just 3.1 seconds, supercar territory. Audi engineered a unique, futuristic sound for the e-tron GT, adding drama to every drive. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The chassis, adaptive air suspension, and low center of gravity make it a true driver's car. It's agile, planted, and begs to be pushed on winding roads. Range is the trade-off, about 232 miles per charge, less than rivals, but still practical for most. The 800-volt architecture means ultra-fast charging, 5% to 80% in just over 20 minutes. Inside, it's classic Audi driver-focused, high-quality materials, and a blend of screens and physical controls. Deeply bolstered sport seats and sustainable trim options complete the cockpit. The e-tron GT RS is less about lounge-like luxury, more about pure driving excitement. It's for those who want their EV to thrill like a sports car.